Wow, that's all semen.
It's coming out of my anus. Are you recording too?
Yeah.
We have thickness, but it's record no use.
See if I can get the tree falling apart. Oh, there's the puddle. Yes! Oh, I totally got that truck up to the tip.
You got zoom in your
Do you think we're getting campfire today?
Probably a little late. Yeah, better to have it done than not, though.
Right now. Are you ready?